If you don't know what your tibia is, it is this large shin bone right here going from your knee to your ankle. If you ever think about kicking someone with your shin, you're probably kicking them with your tibia. So when we're thinking about the tibia, the distal end of it contains this structure known as the medial malleolus. Let's see how we can start dissecting this question. First of all, 115 of you say inner ankle, but we do have students who have selected all 4 choices, right? So here's what I want you to do when you're trying to answer these questions on my exam. There's always very important hints in the words in the question. There's also very important hints in the words of the answer choices, right? Because we're going to be doing this exam in person on paper, you can mark up your exam. You can circle things, you can underline things. I've seen students bring highlighters to the exam, totally fine. You can write on the exam all you want. And what you need to do to be able to answer a question like this in less than 1 minute is you have to determine what are the most important parts of this question. I will point to them right now. The distal end, right? From that phrase alone, distal end, you can eliminate 2 of these answer choices. When we're comparing knees versus ankles, which one is the distal one? Ankle, right? Knee is proximal to the ankle, which means that your ankle is distal to your knee. So already, if we're looking at the distal end, we know we're not looking at the knee at all. It's either going to be the inner ankle or the outer ankle. Okay? So you have a 50-50 shot just by looking at that one phrase. To get this to 100%, we have to see that this is called the medial malleolus. You don't know what a malleolus is just yet. It's just sort of like a bump. In fact, if you feel your inner ankle, feel that little bump right there, that is your medial malleolus, right? It's just a little bump. So again, if it's going to be medial, it's going to be on the inside, not the outside, right? So it is important to know the correct answer for my exam questions. We're not going to know the correct answer all the time. So when that is the case, it is just as important to eliminate all of the wrong answers. So in this case, that is correct. Inner ankle,